guys, a bit sunog.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and to this video I'm going to prepare meatballs keto recipe. Please keep on watching guys, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe.
So hi, let's continue with our mixing preparation of our meatballs. I'm using 1 pound of chicken, minced chicken, and then I add freshly grated ginger for about 1 tablespoon, and garlic, 3 cloves garlic, finely grated, and 1/4 cup of black olive, half cup of chopped onion, 2/3 cup of cauliflower, a cup of mozzarella cheese, and then 1 whole egg. I add half teaspoon of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of coconut flour, I add 1/4 teaspoon of dried basil, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of ginger powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and then a teaspoon of pepper, and 1/3 cup of sour cream, it's better to mix it with our hands, so I'm wearing gloves. The way of cooking these meatballs is by frying it in a skillet with a small amount of oil. As soon as we are done with mixing this, all of the ingredients, we are going to immediately fry it. So look at that. Guys, be sure to fry this one in a low to medium fire. So see you guys after I have done this frying stage. So please keep on watching my video, and to those who are not yet subscribed to my channel, please do it guys, and hit the notification bell to be updated for my next video. So see you then. Look at that guys! A bit sunog! Let's try some. See how it was? It really nice. It is my third experiment of mixing or trying some ingredients in it, since I was using chicken. How it tastes? Wow, it was fabulous. I tell you guys, the taste was fabulous because of the ingredients I use. See you guys on my next video. Bye bye. Thank you for watching guys.